Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some hazelnut green beans. Let's get started. For this recipe you're going to need about a pound of green beans, a quarter cup of panko breadcrumbs, quarter cup of hazelnuts chopped roughly, quarter cup of butter, and then salt and pepper to taste. We are going to cook the green beans, so I have a pot of water here. I'm going to get started boiling on the stove, and then we will prep our green beans. We will prep our green beans by taking the ends off. So either if you have a nice long thumbnail, you can use that, or otherwise you can use a knife. But you want to take each of the ends off, partly because you don't want the part where they take it off the plant, obviously. And the other ends too. Oof. I don't know about you guys, but man, these are fresh green beans. Have you found fresh green beans to be okay in your store? Well, maybe I've tried the farmer's market more often or something, but in the last, I would say even 5 years, I mean, it's been a long time since I've shopped and found the green beans to be like really fresh and nice. I don't know. They all seem to be kind of wonky. Soft. Have a lot of marks on them. So, my husband was going shopping. I told him I wanted green beans. He didn't know how many I wanted. So we have just less than a pound here, but that'll be alright. Water is boiling, so we're going to boil our green beans until they're done to your liking. So for me, probably about 15-20 minutes. While the green beans are cooking, we can start prepping our other ingredients. So we needed again that quarter cup of hazelnuts, quarter cup of breadcrumbs. We are going to kind of toast those, brown those in a pan, dry pan, nothing in there at first. And we'll do that, and then we'll add the butter in there for like another 2 minutes. So just throw on medium, low heat. These nuts are already chopped, so I don't have to chop them up. If you have whole hazelnuts though, make sure that you chop them up. You can see the breadcrumbs are getting a little bit brown now, instead of the light beige they were. So we'll go ahead and put our butter in there now. Perfect timing. So I should chop that up. And that would melt faster. Green beans are done, so we can drain those. We can turn this off because this is all good to go also. Add our green beans right into this pan. And stir it up. The hazelnut green beans are done. Have you ever had hazelnuts with green beans before? I have not. I've had almonds, and those I liked. But I saw this recipe with the hazelnuts, and I thought, well, I like hazelnuts in Ferraro Rochers, so that little dessert, little chocolate balls, those are really yummy. So I thought, well, I do like the hazelnuts that way, so I thought I would try them with the green beans. So let me know down in the comments down below if you've had hazelnuts with green beans or any other type of topping with your green beans. What do you like? In any case, I'll leave the recipe down in the description below. I'm going to enjoy some green beans here. Got to do taste test. My husband grilled out some hamburgers and chicken breasts the other day, so I had a hamburger yesterday. I'll probably have some chicken breast with this, make it my lunch. We've got to taste test this. And you guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Let's see. Should I get some nuts in here? Green beans are really tender. Alright, that's alright. The crunchiness of the nuts and the breadcrumbs. Green beans, buttered green beans, always good. So I like it.